Welcome guys, so today I am with the JBL Horizon 2 and I'm going to show you how we can enter for the pairing mode in this device. So all you have to do, you have to turn on your device, and after that you have to just click on this Bluetooth button once. And when you make it, just take a look, you will get the information on the screen. It's the reconnection and also that Bluetooth button that is blinking. So when you go on your device to make this pairing process, on available devices list, the JBL Horizon 2 will pop after a few seconds. So just wait a little bit. As you can see, there it is. So right now we can pair this device, and that's how we can enable the pairing mode on the JBL Horizon 2. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.